In this video tutorial, we'll be covering how to make a payment to your my.boisestate account. Concurrent enrollment students may need to make a payment if they attend a private high school, are taking a course directly through Boise State, either online or in person, are ineligible, or have run out of state funding. You will need to pay your tuition and any fees in full 2 days prior to the start of your class, or you may be subject to a late fee. Students receiving state funding through advanced opportunities will be reimbursed following Boise State receiving the funding from the state. Let's begin by navigating to my.boisestate.edu. On the main page, you will enter in your login information. If you've forgotten your password, you can click the Reset/Create Password link in the bottom left-hand corner. If you need help remembering your username to reset your password, please email concurrentenrollment@boisestate.edu with your full name and birth date, and we'll provide you with that information. Select Student Center. Next, click the Make a Payment button on the Student Financials tile. The Payment Center will open in a new tab or window. Please note, if nothing happens when you click Make a Payment, please check your browser settings and disable your pop-up blocker. Once the window opens, you will see an account overview on the payment processor page. Click Make a Payment on the left or at the bottom of the page. You have the option to either pay by term or pay by detail. If you pay by term, you will pay the whole amount. The Pay by Detail allows you to pay by line item. Please keep in mind that if you do not pay the full amount by the due date, you can be subject to a late fee. Select the option you prefer and enter any amount you wish to pay, up to the total due. Then click the Checkout button. Select the payment method from the options listed, either credit or debit card, bank account, 529 savings plan, or international payment. Enter in the appropriate information, then click Continue. Next, you will be asked to review and agree to the service charge. All credit and debit card transactions are charged a non-refundable 2.75% service charge. Electronic check payments are charged a 50-cent service charge. Finally, review your payment information and click Pay to complete your transaction. You may print the confirmation page for your records. You will also receive a receipt via email to the student email address. This concludes the tutorial for how to make a payment. Please visit our channel for additional how-to tutorials. Otherwise, if you have any questions, please contact Concurrent Enrollment at boisestate.edu.